Hey guys, Mr. Idle Hack here back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install this decal on your third brake light on your Golf, MK6 Golf. That's what I'm going to be doing. I got this because my third brake light is cracked in the corner, so this will cover it, and because I'm going to get tints anyway, everything's going to look dark anyway, and I'm tinting the headlights out, so it's going to look real good anyway. That's what I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to put this on. I'm going to show you a video right now of what it looks like in the dark when I press the brake light on before, and then I'll put this on after, show you what it looks like. I'm going to install this in the morning because it is dark at the moment, and I'll show you how to do it and stuff. So yeah, press it hard.
Oh, hey, what's going on, guys? It's Lobby Pack here. Welcome back to another video. Oh,
that looks alright. Still fucking looks
carbon fibre, as you can see.
still creased as hell.
Beautiful.
Lobby, keep it like that, otherwise it fucking rotates.
Oh, I apologize.
That's straight. That does not cover it all, does it? That does not cover it all, does it? Needs to be more wider. Do you not think?
Do you want to pass it over to the professional?
Why?
Trust me, I know how to do these. I did that.
What did you do?
A voxel Astra.
What did you do to it?
Modified it, bro.
Are you sure? It's never going to cover the full thing. Yeah, the corners are never going to be covered fully. Can you see?
Yeah.
Yeah. And take this off. Ready? What the hell's that?
Just place that back up.
Oops.
You interrupted my nice cinematic. Can you move out of the way, please? Got a nice cinematic incoming.
Very dark. I'll go press it down. I'll go press it down. Tell me what it looks like. Keep recording.
Just let me do this nice cinematic.
Go back a bit so you can see the actual thing. I'm gonna press it down. Tell me what it looks like.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Hold up. Please. Please.
Really don't want to drop your phone. Yes, sir.
Tell me how it looks.
Oh, car sounded beautiful. Oh, wow.
Look right.
Okay, yeah.
Does it actually look good?
Yeah.
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 Press it on.
Really? I thought I was gonna hit the accelerator, bro.
Okay, go on there. Go for it, love you. Go for it, love you.
Yeah. I can finally drive the vehicle.
Looks alright. But I still don't like the corners, man. The left corner's not long enough.
Yeah. Because it cuts off just at that end.
Yeah. But it does look sick. Go on. Stop it. Hold the brake. That looks alright, you know.
Right, what you mean.
Do it. Hold it. Bro, that looks sick. I'll go for it. What?
Ready?
Yeah. Hold it. That's much better. Hold it, keep pressing it. Yeah. Yeah, that's better.